So far in the data analysis process, we've looked at collecting the data and exploring the data. In the third step, we'll look at comparing the data. Once your coding is complete, you'll need to compare the categories or patterns across your different sets of data. For example, the interviews compared with the surveys. Do they say the same thing? Are there any contradictions that you need to explain in your findings? Asking these questions will help you to ensure validity in your research, so they're very important. After you've spent some time comparing your data, you're ready for the final step, reflecting on the results. Ask yourself these questions. What does the data tell you about your research question? What new questions do you have? How does this change your teaching ideas and beliefs? It's important to note here what Ann Burns says on page 142 of her book. She says, remember too, that action research is localized in your classroom or school, so you must be cautious about making large claims or generalizations about your findings. This is a challenge related to qualitative research more generally. The following two slides are an example from ASEAN Teachers Action Research Project, in which the researcher reflects on her results and shares unexpected results as well. In the first example, we see some of the successes of microteaching, as noted in this teacher's reflections. Students feel confident when doing microteaching. Most students feel satisfied with the changes, and more students become engaged in microteaching lessons. But we also find some unexpected results in this example. This teacher found that there was time restriction for giving feedback. She found various degrees of student satisfaction level with the feedback. More written feedback, students' confusion with positive feedback and constructive feedback, and receiving feedback as important as giving feedback. Reflection questions that you should be asking at this point in your data analysis process. Action questions. How did the actions improve my teaching? How did the actions improve students' learning? How are the actions effective? And then you have results questions. What results supported my objectives? What results surprised me? What do I need to change for next time?